Family, friends, and Kenton County officials remembered people impacted by violent offenses at a candlelight vigil held tonight in honor of National Crime Victims' Rights Week.
Fox 15's Marisa Overly went to it and tells us about the push to increase resources for those here in Michigan. New tonight at 10. Marisa.
Janice and Josh, organizers of this event, read the names of more than 130 people. They hope it brings comfort to their loved ones who struggle from the effects of it.
One by one,
Margie Brooks.
People listen to the names of those gone too soon because of violence in Kent County on Thursday outside the 63rd District Court.
Santino Isazi.
The event aimed to help families like Tanaya Crumps during National Crime Victims' Rights Week. In December 2019, her cousin, LaShonda Howard, died when a drunk driver hit her. Then she lost her father, Tony Vaughn, last June in a shooting on the southeast side of Grand Rapids.
Missing the ones that we don't have, it's really hard.
Especially when they was the life of the party. They was like the front runners, you know, it wasn't a party without them, and just holidays and birthdays and family get-togethers just not the same.
A difficult thing to endure. They want people to remember their loved ones' impact. The family of Santino Isasi, an unhoused man murdered this past October along Bridge Street, says he always took care of others.
The word I would describe Santino is resilient. He was resilient, and had he had a chance to fight for his life, he would be here with us.
6 months later, police still do not know who killed him.
We need to know why. Why did somebody feel the need to take him so violently?
Angelica Ferrer calls victims' rights important.
Knowing what your rights are allows a victim some autonomy, right? They have some voice and choice in how they're going to engage.
The Michigan Constitution guarantees victims fair treatment and information about the criminal justice process and proceedings in their case, among other things. They may also seek compensation, but according to the Alliance for Safety and Justice, the state's fund ranks worst in the nation for application rates. Last spring, though, the legislature took steps to fix those issues, like extending the time to apply from 1 to 5 years after a crime and increasing the maximum amount offered to $45,000.
And with all the resources we're putting into services for people who have caused harm, which are great, we also need to be putting resources into assisting people who were harmed.
A National Crime Victims' Rights Week runs through Saturday. You can find additional information about it on our website or our app under this story. But for now, reporting live in the studio, Marisa Overly, Fox 17 News.